3 days ago, I collapsed while building AI solutions. I ended up in the hospital, not because of stress, not because of burnout, but because I forgot to pause. Hello, purpose-driven humans of PVRPOSEAI. What if one of our greatest powers in this fast-moving world of AI is the power to pause, to slow down, to listen, to breathe before we build again? Today, I'm speaking to you more from my heart. I love building with all of you, but 3 days ago, life reminded me. I'm not just a builder, a creator, a visionary. I'm human. I was living flow on a challenging MVP project, fully immersed, when suddenly my body shut down. My blood pressure spiked. My hands went numb. And thanks to my beautiful daughter, I was rushed to the hospital. Hours of tests, blood work, scans, electrocardiograms. And after all the tests, and with my lovely, beautiful wife supporting me, I finally made it home around 3:30 in the morning. It was a wake-up call. It was. But not the first one. I have been in the hospital before. Same story, same lesson. Each time, I promised myself I will change. But when you love your mission, when you are building with purpose, it's easy to forget to rest. Very easy. Over the past 2 years, I've been completely reinventing my life, from the corporate world to the entrepreneurial world, launching my own business together with my son. I've been all in, learning, creating, serving, impacting lives. But somewhere along the way, I forgot to pause. And what surprised me the most is that even with over 15 years of powerful daily practices, meditation, breathwork, and self-hypnosis, I still forgot. I forgot that my body has limits. I forgot that stillness is not a failure, it's wisdom. I forgot that even with all our AI tools and technologies, we are still human. I've been running non-stop, learning, giving, building. But in my 56 years of life, I learned this. Most of the time, we don't need to force things. We need to let them unfold. We need to listen to our bodies, to the quiet, to the space between the breaths. And here's the truth. All the success in the world means nothing if we forget to enjoy the silence between the milestones. Without the presence, there is no real joy. Without rest, we miss the beauty we are working so hard to create. And if you are like me, a dreamer, a builder, a creator, a visionary, a giver, please hear this. Take care of yourself first. Your body is sacred. Your presence is power. Don't wait for a hospital visit to remember what really matters. Take a pause. Not forever, just long enough to hear yourself again, to remember why you started, to remember that purpose is not just about doing, it's about being. In the end, we take nothing with us, nothing. Only what we have planted in the hearts of others. And in this age of AI and rapid innovation, let's never forget. Our greatest impact is not what we're building. It's who we uplift while building it. This is Coach Juan Gonzalez, and I'm so grateful, so blessed to be alive with all of you. Take a pause. Stay human, embrace the pose, and keep creating with purpose. Vamos!